Animals that can kill a lion. The lion is a large, fearsome cat with a muscular, deep-chested body, a short round head, round ears, and a hairy tuft at the end of its tail. The lion's physique is a symbol of both strength and courage. Lions are a social species that form a pack called pride. Lions like to live in grasslands, savanna, dense shrubs, and open forests most of the time. Although lions are called king of the jungle, some animals are known to have killed lions either for self-defense or by marking territories. Here is the list of animals known to have killed lions. Buffaloes. The African buffalo is a large sub-Saharan African bovine and considered one of the most dangerous amongst other species in Africa. They often defend themselves, kill lions, and other animals that pose a threat. The buffalo is so strong that it can win a one-on-one combat with an adult lion. The reason for this is because the buffalo weighs more than a lion. An average adult lion weighs between 180 to 250 kilograms, while an average buffalo weighs between 800 to 1,150 kilograms. The buffalo is so heavier that it takes a pride of lion to overwhelm it. Hyenas. Hyenas are one of lions' worst enemies and one of the largest carnivores in Africa. They often go after lion cubs since adult lions are more difficult for them to kill. Since lions are heavy, it takes about 10 hyenas to take down a lioness and 20 hyenas to take down a male lion. Crocodiles. Crocodiles successfully attach lions when they are underwater, where crocodiles can steer them very quickly. Crocodiles are good and strong swimmers, and a bite from their powerful jaws can pull a lion underwater. Once underneath the water, lions are no match for crocodiles. A crocodile bite force is 3,700 pounds per square inch, while a lion's bite force is 650 pounds per square inch. Leopard. Leopards among the smallest predators. They are solitary animals but use stealth to hunt. Leopards cannot win a one-on-one battle with an adult lion, but they can pick on a cub in extreme situations. Rhinoceros. It is very difficult for a lion to take down an adult black rhino in a one-to-one battle. One strong hit from the rhino's horn can paralyze a lion forever. An adult rhinoceros weigh around 2,000 kilograms and are also extremely territorial. Unlike other animals who tend to avoid lions, many rhinos will seek out confrontation with lions if their territory is encroached upon. A quick search for rhino-lion encounters will show what the charge of an angry rhino can do to a lion. It isn't pretty. Porcupine. Porcupines are large rodents with coats of sharp spines, or quills, that protect them against predation. Porcupines may appear harmless, but they are known to have killed lions, leopards, and hyenas. They successfully kill their prey when spikes penetrate the heart or major arteries. Porcupines are not poisonous, but their quills can pack a punch. Hippopotamus. Hippos weigh between 1,500 kilograms to 3,200 kilograms. They are approximately the same size as the white rhinoceros, and experts are split on which is the next largest land animal after the elephant. Because of their colossal weight, large mouth, strong jaws, and sturdy canines, they are a threat to lions. They have the most muscular jaw of herbivores and can open their mouths 180 degrees. A hippo's bite force is 2,000 pounds per square inch. Hippos will kill lions in self-defense. Hippos fight with lions because lions attack them and their calves. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to share and subscribe.